So finding sources is challenging enough, but what about keeping track of all those sources, organizing them, and then citing them all at the end? Well, there's a tool that can help with that. It's called a research manager. My personal favorite is called Zotero, so let me show you what a game changer this is. Zotero is free up to a certain storage amount. You can just go to zotero.org and click to download it. You're going to need two things, both the application for your computer and then also the connector for your browser. And once you have these two things, it's amazing what it can do. So let's say you've been finding some sources around the web, you've been finding some in library databases. All you have to do to save them is once you have the connector that's in your browser, you'll just click the little button and pin it just like you're pinning an image to Pinterest. And you can choose what project to save it to. And then this one I'm going to save as well from a library database. And you can save it from Google Scholar, pretty much Amazon, pretty much anywhere. And then you'll see as I save these two things to my ChatGPT project here, I've got both of them here and it pulled in all the citation information. So sometimes it misses something, like here it didn't quite get the author's name, so you can just add that in. And now this is the best part. Let's say I'm ready to cite this. I've got my Zotero menu that automatically installs when I install that browser connector for Chrome, and I'm going to add a citation. You can choose what style you want it to cite in, so I'm going to choose MLA style, and I'm going to select the source that I want. I click enter, and it put in my in-text citation. All right, so that's a pretty simple in-text citation. But now I go to Works Cited, Zotero, add bibliography, and it adds the full citation at the end. Here's another source I found, blah, blah, blah. Go ahead, add citation. Let's say I wanted to add this, my other source now. And then it automatically updates the works cited at the end. So if that doesn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. You can contact the library if you have any questions about getting or using Zotero. So happy researching.